Do you use Amazon Alexa? When you ask for help with Amazon Echo, it only offers voice assistance. But did you know there's a way to access more than 100,000 Alexa skills that use visual as well as voice assistance? Here's how. As you know, Alexa makes life so much easier with various skills, such as playing music and reading a book. Let's learn about something even more interesting. First, hold the Amazon Prime Video button to wake Alexa up and give a command, like,
Ask Kayak to book a hotel from August 30th to September 9th in Seattle.
Then, Alexa will show you what's available on screen.
Would you like to continue searching for hotels in Seattle from August 30th to September 9th?
Yes.
Off we go, looking for the best hotels in Seattle.
You can also ask for information.
Ask CNBC to check stock quotes.
What stock or quote can I look up for you?
Amazon.com.
Let Alexa take care of everything from planning your vacation to looking up the information you need for work. All you need to do is press a button and ask. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.